In this video, I'll be going over dimensioning round objects. So I'm still going to grab my dimension tool. If the circle that we drew this large circle, here it's a complete circle, up here we have trimmed it, it's a partial circle, it's not going to give you the option for diameter. So notice as my O snaps are on, it wants to snap to that, but then it wants me to say like a linear dimension. So I'm going to scroll in a little bit, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on the curve but not on one of those points. And sometimes you have to move around or move your cursor off the line, and I'm going to click to say, okay, that's what I want, and then I can still zoom in and out and place that dimension. When I do this, I can specify, I can come in and I can edit this. So if I wanted to say 4 times, there's a radius of a half there, I can do that. Now, for the smaller circle, it's a complete circle, so it's going to default to wanting to give me diameter. You notice in the assignment it says radius, diameter's fine. You're going, but these two numbers are the same, but they're different size circles. One is telling me diameter of the circle, and one is telling me the radius. So for example, this one has a radius of a half, so it has a diameter of 1. Now, just like I did these two is how I'm going to dimension this curve. So I'm just going to replace that. I can zoom out. This, what appears to be an arc, is part of the dimension line. So keep that in mind when you're working on your assignments.